Bhagavad Gita lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 8, Attaining the Supreme, Bhagavad Prapti. Text 21. अव्यक्तो अक्षर इत्युक्त समूहा परमां गतिं यं प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धामा परमं मम. That unmanifest dimension is the supreme goal, and upon reaching it, one never returns to this mortal world. That is my supreme abode. यहाँ अव्यक्त स्वरूप ही परम गंतव्य है और यहाँ पहुंचकर फिर कोई इस नश्वर संसार में लौट कर नहीं आता. यहाँ मेरा परम धाम है. ఆ యొక్క అవ్యక్తమైన విస్తారమే సర్వోన్నత లక్ష్యము. మరియు దాన్ని చేరుకున్న తరువాత వ్యక్తి ఈ లౌకిక మర్త్య లోకానికి తిరిగి రాడు. అది నా యొక్క పరం ధామము. This sloka describes about supreme abode, that is the permanent abode of Supreme Lord. The different forms of the God have different lokas with eternal associates. Vaikuntha Loka, where Lord Vishnu resides. Shiva Loka, where Lord Shiva resides. Devi Loka, where Durga resides. These are defined forms of the same one God. The supreme abode is described as a Chintamani Dham, where one gets liberation and all desires are fulfilled. It is also known as Goloka Vrindavan, made of touchstones, desire trees, filled with Surabo cows. The Lord wears saffron cloth, a garland around his neck, and stays with the goddess Lakshmi. This abode is superior to all, where one reaches never returns to this material world. The same replica Dham is Vrindavan near Mathura, where Lord Krishna descended on the earth in the Dwapara Yuga, and Ayodhya, where Lord Rama descended on the earth in Treta Yuga. Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna.